Good morning students. How are you? This is Gayatri Sharma again here with a new video. I welcome you in today's English class. Students, as you know that in these days we are reading chapter number 6 from your discovering book in which we have read bl sound and cl sound. So today we are going to read words beginning with the fl sound. The name of the chapter is A Crown for the Clown. What is the name of the chapter? A Crown for the Clown. Crown means मुकुट जो सिर पे पहना जाता है और clown means जोकर. तो A Crown for the Clown. So now we are going to read words beginning with the fl sound. कौन से वर्ड जो किससे बिगिन होते हैं? fl sound से बिगिन होते हैं वो वाले. तो देखिए THE द, FLY fly, FLEW flew, TO2, THE the, FLOWER flower. The fly flew to the flower. अब जो fly है वो कहाँ से उड़ी? flower से उड़ी. The fly flew to the flower. Then second is THIS this, IS is, OUR our, NATIONAL national, FLAGA flag. This is our national flag. This is our national flag. Do you know about national flag something? Yes, there are how many colors in national flag? There are 3 colors in our national flag. Saffron, white and green. We feel saffron, it is our national flag. It has 3 colors. Saffron on the upper side and in the mid, white color and green in the lower side. In upper side saffron color, white color in the middle and green color in the lower side. So this is our national flag. This is our national flag. आप इसको R बोल सकते हो. OUR. इसको our नहीं बोलना है, इसको क्या बोलना है? R. This is our national flag. क्या बोलना है इसको? This is our national flag. This is our national flag. The fly flew to the flower. The fly flew to the flower. This is our national flag. This is our national flag. Then third is IAMMPLAYING playing. The FLUTE flute. I am playing the flute. अब flute क्या होता है? What is flute? It is a tube shaped instrument. म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जिसमें क्या क्या होता है? यहाँ पे होल्स बने होते हैं जिसमें से विंड पास होती है और जो साउंड है वो जनरेट होती है. तो दिस इज, आपने देखा होगा कृष्ण भगवान को देखा आपने कभी फोटो के अंदर, तो उनके पास क्या होती है? हमेशा फ्लूट होती है. क्या होती है उनके पास? फ्लूट होती है. तो आई एम, देखिए पिक्चर के अंदर भी फ्लूट है. देखिए ये ट्यूब शेप एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, उसमें क्या है? ये होल्स बने हुए हैं. तो आई एम प्लेइंग द फ्लूट. आई एम प्लेइंग द फ्लूट. देन CAN can, YOUFLIP flip, the PAGES pages. Can you flip the pages? Can you flip me? Turn over. Can you flip the pages? Can you flip the pages? Can you turn over the pages? Pages को turn over करना क्या है? Flip. तो can you flip the pages? Let's revise again. The FLY fly, FLEW flew to the flower. The fly flew to the flower. Second is, this is our national flag. This is our national flag. Then I am playing the flute. I am playing the flute. Can you flip the pages? Can you flip the pages? Now Which are the words that begin with plus sound? सबसे पहले first of all FLY flight, FLEW flew, then FLEWER fly, fly, flew, fly, then FLAGA flag, FLUTE flute and FLIP flake. देखिए which are the words that begin with plus sound? Fly, flew, fly, fly, flew and fly. Then flag, FLAG flag, FLUTE flute and FLIP flake, FLIP flake. Fly, flew, fly, flag, flute, flake. There are another words that begin with floss sound like flood, floss. These are the words that begin with floss sound. फिर देखिए the fly flew to the fly. This is our national flag. I am playing the flute. Can you flip the pages? Can you flip the pages? So now we are going to do practice zone 4. So this is the picture of a fly. So right here, this is a fly. आपने यहाँ पे दिस इज से सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करना है. तो दिस इज अ फ्लाई. सेकेंड, दिस इज अ फ्लावर. दिस इज अ फ्लावर. FLOWER flower. This is a flower. Then second, this is our national flag. How many colors in national flag? Yes, there are 3 colors in our national flag: saffron, white and green. So right here, this is a flag. This is a flag. Then this is a flute. What is this? This is a flute. ये क्या होती है? Flute. तो right here, this is a flute. FLUTE flute. This is a flute. This is a fly. This is a fly. This is a fly. This is a flower. This is a flower. This is a flag. What is the spelling of flag? FLAG flag. What is the spelling of flower? FLOWER flower. What is the spelling of fly? FLY fly. FLOWER flower. FLAG flag. And this is a flute. What is the spelling of flute? FLUTE flute. This is a flute. So students, this is your plus sound words. So you will, today's your homework is that you will read these words and you will do practice zone 4 in your discovering book. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.